Hi guys, welcome to another free video on where I'm going to share with you some free YouTube SEO tools for the beginner. My channel is all about helping beginners start an online business successfully. Now, if you've not opened your YouTube channel, I have a link below here to show you how to open a YouTube channel properly. Even if you do have a YouTube channel, sometimes if you just jumped into it, you may not have opened it properly. There's a video below this video on how you can do that. Now, why do you need free YouTube SEO tools? It is not just enough to upload videos. If you just upload videos, you find out that you might spend all of your energy doing good videos, but nobody is actually watching it. So you need SEO tools that will help you to ensure that the videos that you upload are brought up for people that are looking for what is in your video. That is the essence of having SEO tools, to be able to optimize your YouTube videos. For some of you that are just watching this for the first time, you may be wondering, what is SEO? SEO actually stands for search engine optimization, and as the name sounds, simply means things that you can do to your YouTube videos to optimize the videos such that when people put in a search for what has to do with your videos will be brought up by YouTube for these people. This of course will increase engagement. It will help you have quick people to subscribe to your channels, and it will quickly help you to get monetized faster. What I'm teaching you today is something that has taken me years to learn. If I'd learned all this before starting my YouTube channels, it wouldn't have taken me so long to be able to get my YouTube channel monetized. So now let's me go straight and show you 3 free YouTube SEO tools I use to optimize my YouTube videos. These are the free SEO tools I use for my YouTube channels. They have pro versions, but I've always been using their free versions and they work well for me. There are a lot of free SEO tools out there. Feel free to search for them, but I want to talk about the ones that I do use, not the ones that are out there. I use Keywords Everywhere, TubeBuddy, and vidIQ. I'm going to show you in a moment these 3 softwares that I have on my own Chrome extensions. So this is my brand new YouTube channel. I just opened it not long ago, this particular one. This is my first YouTube channel. I just opened this too not too long ago. So this is the one I'm talking about right now. As you can see on my Chrome extension, this is TubeBuddy on my Chrome extension. This is Keywords Everywhere, and this is vidIQ. Those are the 3 free SEO YouTube tools that I'm using to optimize my YouTube videos. Now, how do you get this on your Chrome extension? That's what I'm going to show you in the next minute, before I come and start explaining the work of each of them on my YouTube videos. I'm going to upload another video on how I actually use them to optimize my YouTube videos. So let me quickly show you how to get these 3 things on your Chrome extension so that you can easily use them when you're uploading your YouTube videos to be able to optimize your videos. So let's start with Keywords Everywhere. Once you put keywords here, you scroll down, you see Keywords Everywhere. Scroll down again, you see Keywords Everywhere Chrome. So that's where you are going to click. Once you open it, it takes you to this page. What you do, just scroll down, and this is what you're looking for: chrome.google.com Keywords Everywhere Keywords tool. So once you click on this, it will take you to this Chrome web store where you see this. For me, it's saying remove from Chrome, but for you it will tell you add to Chrome. So once you click this, it will just add it to your Chrome headings here. You'll see it, you see the keywords everywhere symbol. This is the way it looks like. You see it on your Chrome. So that's just the way to add keywords everywhere to your Chrome extensions. The next one is TubeBuddy. Just put TubeBuddy and you also see TubeBuddy Chrome and you click on it. So once you get here, just click on TubeBuddy Chrome Web Store, just like the way we did for keywords everywhere. Once you get to the Chrome Web Store, just click on add to Chrome. I cannot click, as you can see. I already have it on my Chrome extension, so just click on add to Chrome, and that is all you need to do. You do the same thing for vidIQ. I'm not going to go through that. It's essentially the same process. So just do the same thing for vidIQ so that you have the extension of vidIQ, the extension of TubeBuddy, and keywords everywhere. Those are the 3 free tools that I normally use to optimize my YouTube videos. So now that you have your tools on your Chrome extension, let me just explain how I use these tools on YouTube. I'm not going to show how I use it. I'll do another video and upload a video and actually show you how I use the combination of the 3 SEO YouTube tools to optimize my YouTube videos. Once you have all those SEO tools as your Chrome extensions, once you open your YouTube channel, you will see all these extensions on your YouTube channel for you to use. Now if I click on this particular TubeBuddy, these are the things I can do with the extension tools: Keyword Explorer, SEO Studio, Video Topic Planner, and all that. But as a free version, the one you can really use is the Keyword Explorer. If you're not on the Pro version, you cannot use these ones. I have a video on how to use this, how this works, which I will link below this video for you to actually see how TubeBuddy works. The Pro version, if you want to take up the Pro version. But for this free version, this is what you can use if you just want to use the free one. Like if I click on Keyword Explorer, let's see what comes out. So let me put something like SEO tools for YouTube. Now explore. So it actually gives you a score. This score tells you a lot of things. It tells you that the search volume is fair. That means the amount of people searching with this particular phrase is not too good, and the competition too is not too good. The optimization strength is not too good. That means this topic for your YouTube is not optimized enough for enough people to be searching for it. So this is really fantastic when I'm using TubeBuddy. This is what I use to get my YouTube video titles. So for instance, once I see that this is fair, that this title is not good enough, I try to adjust it to see whether I can move it to this green to give me a nice clickable title. So let me just see what I can do. Now I added free here and I added YouTube videos here. Free SEO tools for YouTube videos. As you can see, the score is very good. The search volume is good. Competition is good. That means you don't have so many people using this topic as it is. Optimization is good. That means this topic is very good for the video I'm going to upload. This is a well optimized topic. So that is one of the importance of TubeDaddy, and you can use this feature even with a free TubeDaddy. Even if this is the only feature you can use, it helps you at least to optimize your YouTube titles. So that is one of the ways you can use a TubeDaddy to optimize your YouTube video. Now a little bit about vidIQ. vidIQ gives you what they call daily ideas. That is, it gives you the kind of video you can upload. gives you ideas. Like for instance, this is a free version I'm using too. If you go to daily ideas, so it gives you what to talk about. For instance, this is crochet bag with t-shirt yarn. Now it's giving me ideas based on my first channel. My major YouTube channel is about sewing, so it's giving me what I can, what I can talk about next, and the prediction is very high. There a lot of people are looking for something like this, so I can either save this topic or I can dismiss it. So let me see, I'll save it. Then the second one, DIY hand purse, it gives you what you can do that people are actually looking for in your niche. And that's one of the wonderful things you can do with vidIQ. It actually directs you on what to upload. It doesn't just get up and upload anything. It gives you direction. Another good thing about vidIQ is that if you just put your cursor here, it tells you everything that has to do with your channel. Really, it tells you the hours of watch, the views you have at the last 60 minutes, the views you have in the last 48 hours. Tells you whether your views are growing or decreasing, the percentage growth in the last 7 days. It talks about your subscribers too. How many subscribers do you have so far, and the number of minutes watched, whether it is increasing or decreasing. So this is really what I like, because at a glance you can really have an idea of how your channel is working and how you can improve it. And then it tells you, want to improve your views, you can check out vidIQ Boost. I think this one is supposed to be paid to be able to do that. So that is it about this tool. Now let me tell you how this keywords everywhere works. Now if I get to my YouTube channel and I want to search for similar videos that have this, remember I want to show you how I use these keywords everywhere to be able to do my YouTube video optimization. Now once I click on any of those videos, this is one of the videos, talking about free SEO tools for YouTube videos. Now if you scroll down, once you have this keywords everywhere Chrome extension, for every video it tells you optimization score of that video, tells you the engagement score, everything about that video. This is particularly important if it is your video. At least you have an idea of how your video is analyzed by YouTube, for you to see exactly how this video is doing on YouTube. But what is most important to me is the keyword tags. That is what is most important for me, because this will give you an idea of the tags to use for your own video, and you can easily copy it here. Just click copy and you copy it and paste it on your Google Doc, so that when you upload your own video you can use these tags. If you're using a pro version of TubeDaddy, you can actually create tags with a video title. It gives you optimized tags to put. But if you're not using it, keywords everywhere can help you, to have the right keyword, the right tags to actually use for your video, by just putting in the title of the video you want to upload, so that you see the kind of videos that have already been uploaded, and that will give you an idea of the tags to use when you upload your video. So that is the way I use the 3 free YouTube SEO tools for each of the videos I am going to be uploading. If you can learn this, it makes life easy and faster for you to be able to optimize your YouTube videos, get subscribers faster and all that. This is what all the gurus are using, and this is what I did not know for many years, when I started on YouTube. Just let me say a year ago, I just learned all this. I was just uploading videos without doing all this, and I hope that you will just not be like me and then waste your time uploading videos, because no matter how good your videos are, if people are not watching it, then you might as well be wasting your time. And this is what you need to do, so that your videos are watched by the right people, and the right people can subscribe to your videos. So with that, I've come to the end of this video on my 3 free SEO tools for YouTube videos. I want to thank you for watching to the end, and I hope you're going to practice what you have watched. Remember to like, to share, and of course subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you can get all my tips.